pagkagamay kay nagadaghan man kita mga sulok. Since you happen that we have also another activity na nakagamit ko dito sa Pagkakasuot. Before anything else, this icon of Potre Jackie, the lecture player.
Region 10 now invites for the above procurement project. Completion of the project is required 180 calendar days. Leaders should have completed a contract similar to the project. The description of an individual leader is contained in the leading documents, particularly in section 2, instruction leaders. Meeting will be conducted through open competitive procedures using non-discretionary faster failure period as specified in the 26A revised implementing rules and regulations IRR of the Public Act RA 9184. Interested leaders will be further information Meeting Secretariat is convening documents at the address given below from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. A complete set of meeting documents may be acquired by the interested leaders in July 2024 to July 25, 2024 from email address and websites below and upon payment of that fee for the main documents. First, may be prescribed by the amount of 10,000 pesos. The procuring entity shall allow the leader to present a split payment for the fees in the form of official receipt issued by the finance and ATF to RFM. 6. The Bureau of Architecture Region 10 hold a conference on 9:30 a.m. July 11, 2024 at the conference room office of the Regional Director, Bureau of Architecture Region 10 Manila Building. Which will be open to special teachers. If you are resident in Yahoo.com, or you may visit the following websites for downloading the meeting document at https:// Signed, Superintendent Alan A. Regional Chief of Staff, Staff Chairman. Experience of 3 years with valid cost certificates of not less than 3 years with 3 years of experience as safety officer. Material engineer, 3 years with valid and updated certificate of accreditation as material engineer for not less than 3 years, and with 3 years experience as material engineer. Foreman, 3 years. Foreman is civil works, especially on vertical structures in the public entity. Elder, 3 years. with NC2 certificates. In the first 3 years, at least the registered electrical engineer or registered master or wiring. Minimum power of 10 HE. Generator set minimum of 1 HE. Actually, cost of P.1 EV security shall be in the form of a EV security declaration related to public goods and send EBC if bid security is insurance bond. Additional contract documents relevant to the project that may be required by the existing laws may also procurement information such as the construction schedule and S-curve, manpower schedules.
Morning. For general requirements, this specification is the cover material and work not specifically mentioned in the specification, working drawings and other documents at least implied and deemed necessary to complete the work shall be supplied and contracted and executed on the workman lifetime. Equipment size and highest quality available with extra cost per hour. The contractor shall secure all permits and licenses required. Also, he shall responsible for all liabilities on the workmen, compensation, assistance, insurance, etc. The contractor shall record this for approval for the authorized representative with promptness, number of specific required work that was followed in the approval outcome. The contractor will guarantee the ability to set to work with specific guarantee for a period of 1 year. After final acceptance, he shall repair, replace, and make good at his expense what defects may arise during the term of guarantee. The amount of the respective qualities and or superior quality of material. Mobilization and remobilization. Preparation to inventory of tools and construction equipment. Tracking immediately and preparation of advanced equipment. Immobilized after project completion. Building permit fees, miscellaneous fee. Processing of plans for the application of building permits includes this fee. Includes the application of permit of the Bureau of Protection. Immobilized after project completion. Equipment rentals. Renting necessary equipment needed for the construction. Provide of machinery, tools, and equipment of all kinds of size, from earth moving to powered access, from power generation to handheld tools, for a limited period of time. DILG logo. DILG DFP official logo and stainless cut out letter signage. Application official DILG and DFP logo. Made of stainless. Application of cut out stainless letters. Speed plans for the latest or infrared resolution. Electrical mainline connection processing and payment. Processing and payment for the application of electrical mainline connection. Installation of necessary materials needed for the service maintenance connection.
examination of the legal documents for letter E, the valid bills. The bills is valid until March 15, 2025. Issued last February 19, 2024. Any comment from the members? If none, let me check. For letter B, the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts. Any comment from the members? If not, letter B check. For letter C, the statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract for SLCC. Similar to the contract to bidder. This is any comment from the members for the SLCC? Okay, if none, letter C check. We will skip the letter D, considering that this is not a joint venture, so we go to was subscribed by his attorney Mabel. Notarial jurisdiction is from Inumacan to San Salvador to San Oriental, including Pasaya City. The office address Lady of Manawag comes in Feb. If none, letter E, check. For letter F, the project requirements, which will include the following: the organizational chart for the contract to be So any comment from the members? If none, letter A check. For letter B, the list of contractors key personnel to be assigned to the contractor bid with the complete qualification and experience.
Natumba.
Loans, survival.
Significant na, sir?
Okay, we'll now open the financial component of the trades engineering. The financial bid form, the open an amount of 8,897,320.92, which is below the approved budget of the contract, which is 10 million. Okay, letter B, letter C, check. Let's go by question. submission of the financial envelope of the Trains Engineering and Construction Services. It was found out that their bid offer of 8,897,320.92 is below the approved budget of the program, which is 10 million, and therefore if I declared the lowest, they are declared complying and declared as the lowest calculated bid as well. Any motion from the members?
I move that Trends Engineering Construction Services financial component is complying.
Okay, it has been moved and seconded that the Trends Engineering Construction Services who offered a bid price of 8,897,320.92, which is below the approved budget of the program, is complying and hereby declared complying and subject for SOSQA. Any other matters to be discussed? If there's none, any move for the adjournment of the opening of bids?
Seconded.
Okay, it has been moved and seconded that considering that there are no other matters to be discussed, the opening of bids for the proposed technical fire station and with mezzanine of and rope deck of the Pasuko Fire Station is hereby adjourned.